Come outside to see all the rain and the wind. And everybody's trash cans was blowing down. I had to run out to the street and grab our trash cans. Chickens, they don't know what to think. Look at them. They can run inside and not get wet. All they have to do is go inside. Sometimes I think they enjoy the rain. I thought this was a good day to start burning, but came outside and seen the clouds. This is one side. Let's go look. Look over here. They're trying to stay dry, but all you have to do is go inside the run. I guess they say it's too early, so we'll just seek cover. This rain came out of nowhere. I was just picking up branches 5 minutes ago and the wind started blowing. I came out back and saw these trees blowing in the wind. Okay. Chuck called and said, "Come on, y'all. Let's get out the rain." Is that thunder? I hear thunder. All right, Peggy. Let's go, girl. Look at her. She said, "Wait a minute. Y'all don't forget me." But that's all of them. I'm going to close them in. Well, I'll just wait. Sometimes in North Carolina, the rain comes and goes in 10 minutes. But I know I heard thunder. I was coming to prune those fruit trees. All right, I'm getting ready to get out this rain myself. I'm in the lean-to. I'm not getting wet. Let me go out front. I'm out front now. You see this magnolia? I was planning on letting it get a little bit bigger and cut all the branches that's at least 5 to 6 feet from the ground and put chairs underneath it. That's been our thought. Cut all the branches up 5 to 6 feet Put some chairs underneath it. Give a shade in the Carolina heat, in the Carolina sun. I can hear the thunder. Look at the sky. It's just a rainy day for right now. Look at my poor lawnmower. It broke down right there. I got the parts to fix it. I'm gonna fix it next month. I'm gonna have to build a little garage just for the riding lawnmower. It won't fit in the garage. Can't have it in the storage room. I gotta make something just for it. Sounds like Simon trying to come out. Let's let him out. Looks like it's just going to be a rainy day. Open the door so Simon can come out. He said, shoot, I'm not getting wet. He turned around and ran right back in.